Hello, and welcome to another episode of Cleaning with the Academy. I'm your coach, Dave Thompson, and today I'm going to talk to you about a hack when it comes to auto scrubbers. Everybody knows about rotary machines, with the big pad that goes around and around. We've had those for years. I got a hack for you. Use a cylindrical brush. Now this machine right down here, you'll notice has two of them, one in front of the other, and they both rotate the same way. And what that does is it gets into all those little nooks and crannies and unlevel floors. The thing is, whenever you're doing the floors, you don't always have just one type of floor. And the thing is, people with pads, they never clean them. With these, you'll never have to clean it. That's my hack for you today. Come on back and I'll show you how this actually works at another episode of Cleaning with the Academy.